We were using the big lever of the humerus. Now we can hook the iliac, the ASIS, with our heel of our hand and try it that way too. So for, like we were talking about, some legs are really long for us to get to be able to hook in our body. So if you put your thenar eminence or the heel of your hand right on the ASIS, and then same thing, I'm just hooking my fingers in the lumbar, and then I'm leaning my body weight into the iliac crest. And again, you guys know how to cup that area so you're not too pokey. This is always a nice one to...
That almost looks like it'd be more effective. It feels to me like the leg is awkward.
Yeah.
You get more rotation and more opening of the facet joints, so I actually use this technique more in my practice. How's that feel, Dawn?
I do feel a difference though when she was using from her hip with my knee. I felt it more in my hip than I do with this.
In a good way?
Here. It's a different muscle tissue that I feel being manipulated.
This is going to be more lumbar versus you're
lumbar,
feel a little
thoracic
bit more SI,
area,
hip area with the longer lever. So feel free to try that too if you want.